Hey guys, and welcome to another video. So today I am going to create a look, not particularly sure what it's going to be, like what kind of style it's going to be. I know what kind of colours I have in mind. I'm thinking more of like a burgundy, cherry kind of colours, so that's what I'm kind of going for. So hopefully it goes the way I kind of like think it is. I'm going to take the Makeup Revolution Velvet Rose Reloaded palette and I'm going to take this shade up here and I'm just going to blend that through the crease. I'm just using this colour to kind of like create this shape. I use this to kind of be like a guideline for my eye look. I'm just going to take this colour up here and I'm just going to start on the outer corner. Kind of blending this through like where the socket goes in and out. Okay, so I'm going to take the Too Faced Chocolate Gold palette. I'm going to take the shade Rich Girl, which is like a really bright, almost like a pinky, pearly champagne shimmer. I'm going to take a little bit of this because it's extremely pigmented, which is why I love this palette. I'm going to take that. I'm just going to go from the inner corner. Just slightly buff it out like that, so it's not too heavy. I'm going to take the same colour that I used to kind of shade the eye. I'm going to take that and I'm just going to blend it on my lower lash line. Nothing too heavy. I'm just going to put a bit of the Lottie London AM to PM Kohl eyeliner pencil in Sunburst in my waterline. Okay, so I'm going to use the Lash Queen London Majestic lashes. These are actually my best friend's lash line, so I'm going to put the link in the description down below. You best cop some of those, okay? They're nice lashes, legit, not being biased. So I'm going to use these lashes. I'm going to use the Goddess of Faith I Heart Revolution highlighter just to top up on the inner corner here and under the arch of the eyebrows as well. I'm just going to lightly touch up on the highlighter with the Flower Beauty. This is their Shimmer and Strobe highlighting palette, sorry. But I'm going to take this one here in the corner just lightly, because I'm going to put more highlighter on after this, but it's going to be more glittery like. Then I'm going to take the Anastasia Beverly Hills Loose Highlighter in Snowflake, and this is what I'm going to use to actually make it like spop. So this really brings it out. Now, especially if I'm taking photos with a ring light or with flash, this right here, ooh, gleaming. I'm sure whoever's up there on the moon or the aliens, they can see this highlight from up there, that's for sure. For the lips, I'm going to use the Gosh 005 Chestnut, the ultimate lip liner with a twist. I'm just going to fill in my lips with this. I'm going to line it first, sorry. I'm going to take this little NYX Liquid Suede cream lipstick in Vintage. Okay, so this is the final look. I went with something that's not a glossy lip. Surprise! So yeah, I went with a nice cream. It's actually a liquid lipstick by NYX. So this is kind of look. I actually based the look around the lips, so this is what I've come up with. I'm kind of liking it, I won't lie. It was actually very quick and easy for me to do. So just a couple colours, blend them in. Like, this is why I love makeup. You can just like mix anything together and it'll look good. So yeah, this is the look. If you guys did like that and did enjoy it, please don't forget to like, subscribe, share and comment, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.